Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and versatile educational toys on the market. The Flakes 500-piece set, which we're proudly calling the best classroom toy set. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, or just a curious builder, stick around because this product is about to unlock a world of creativity for you and your kids. Let's begin with what you get inside the jar. The Flakes set includes over 500 interlocking plastic discs in a vibrant mix of 12 different colors. All of them come packed in a signature yellow cap storage jar that's durable and easy to handle. The discs themselves are about 1.3 inches across, just the right size for little hands to grasp and snap together. And with a total jar weight of approximately 1.9 pounds, it's lightweight enough for kids to carry around themselves. Right out of the box, the set includes an idea booklet to get started. You can follow along to build a colorful flower, a 3D rainbow ball, and a tree, among other things. But here's where it gets even better: the creativity doesn't stop there. There are tons of additional building resources available online. These aren't just simple builds either, we're talking about imaginative structures that can stretch across tabletops, forming bridges, vehicles, and even animals. Now, who is this for? Flakes is designed for ages 3 and up, all the way to 99. Yes, you heard that right, this isn't just a toy for toddlers. It's an inclusive building system that's just as enjoyable for teens and adults. Whether you're using it as a family bonding activity, a screen-free classroom project, or a therapeutic tool, it adapts to all situations. The discs click together with just the right amount of tension, making it easy enough for small children while still satisfying for adults to work with. Beyond the fun, this set is a strong contender in the educational STEM toy category. It fosters spatial intelligence, pattern recognition, and fine motor skills, all critical developmental areas for young learners. And for educators out there, this is a dream classroom tool. Imagine giving your students a task to build a functional design, either individually or in groups. It's collaborative, engaging, and the best part, quiet. That makes it perfect for classroom makerspaces, Montessori environments, libraries, daycares, and homeschool settings. We should also talk safety. The Flakes discs are made from non-toxic, BPA-free plastic and are compliant with USASTM/CPSIA safety standards. That means peace of mind for both educators and parents. Everything has been tested and approved, making it a worry-free addition to any classroom or home playroom. Durability? Absolutely. These discs are tough. You can step on them, twist them, and they'll still hold up for years of creative construction. They're even slightly flexible, which adds another layer to the kinds of structures you can create. And if anything goes wrong, the set comes with a 90-day manufacturer warranty covering any defects. That's a rare bonus for a toy in this price range. Now here's something that makes it even more worthwhile: it's from a small business. Supporting this product doesn't just mean getting a quality toy. It also means contributing to a growing business that values educational development and creativity. To sum it up, the Flakes 500-piece set is more than just a toy. It's a gateway into creative, educational play that spans generations. It encourages learning, problem-solving, and fun all at once. No batteries, no screens, just open-ended construction and imagination. If you're an educator, you'll want this in your toolkit. If you're a parent, it's a must-have for indoor play. And if you're a curious adult, don't be surprised if you find yourself joining in. That's the magic of Flakes. It brings everyone together, one colorful disc at a time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and educational toy insights. See you in the next video.